how to fix your Bunq transfer not going through. So in here, the very first thing that I recommend you guys do is simply double check all of the recipient account number and bank code in trees, right? So after doing that, check if Bunq's delayed transfer safety feature is active on your account settings. After doing that, I'm pretty sure that you'll actually fix the Bunq transfer not going through. So verify the details, check the payment delay features, and if it's still not working, then finally I recommend you guys simply contact the customer service. So for that, you can actually get their number online, or you can visit their website in order to get the customer service number. And after contacting them, what you can actually do is you can simply tell them your exact problem, and I'm pretty sure that they will actually be able to help you out. And yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below, and that will be it for this video.